All right, let's get this lens clean because we want to make sure that we can really see what's going on. I'm going to do a DIY, making some hair ties or some ponytail holders for my little girl, and I thought maybe that I would share them with you, share the process with you. You know, I really enjoy wearing the hair ties myself because having natural hair, my hair is very curly, as you guys may know already, but it's like everything gets wrapped around your hair and then you have to end up cutting it out, and I hated doing that. Well, I started to wear the hair ties, the elastic hair ties, and they worked beautifully because it would just slide right off of my hair when I would come to take it out, or slide right off my little girl's hair, which is also just as curly, if not curlier, than my very own hair. Well, Walmart had a sale on elastic hair ties. I bought all of these for 50 cents each. They were 50 cents, whatever size, whatever pattern, all of them. And she picked out a few and I picked out a few, and now we're going to go ahead and make our very own elastic hair ties. And yeah, you can purchase this at Walmart already made, but if you do the math, you'll come out a whole lot better if you make your own. I think like it's $4 for 5 pieces of the hair ties if you purchase it on your own, right? But it's very easy to do. You can cut these to whatever length or size you want for your hair, for your ponytail. So it's very flexible. You know, you don't have to necessarily get one size. And so I'm going to make different sizes, and it's as simple as cutting them to length, whatever length that you want, like such. Once I've cut all of the hair ties to the length that I want, and I've separated them or sectioned them off in such a way, it's very simple. The only thing left to do next is to gather each end and make a slip knot. It's very easy, and you can make as many of these as you want to. Where did I find the elastic hair ties? That's going to be a question possibly. In the sewing area in Walmart. We have Walmarts here. Walmart's very national, very global. So you just have to check there in the sewing and fabric area. And these were all the way at the bottom, like on a shelf where anyone could pass them up and miss them. And there was a whole box of these elastic hair ties for sale. And so for the sake of just showing you all the different patterns and how they are so pretty, it's very pretty. I like the way the light blue shimmers and the silver shimmers like that. Now these are two that I selected. My little girl, she's a bit more eclectic with her likes. She chose the gold and black, and she also chose the polka dots, the black and white polka dots. Now you can choose to do the slip knot, or you can gather both ends into your hand, into between your fingers like that, and just tie a knot at one time. I mean, you can do it either which way. I've learned that both of them will stay. My little girl, she picked out the pink one, the pink elastic hair tie as well. And then I selected the black, the solid black, the silver, and the sky blue color. You see, and I'm showing you another way that you can create the knot. Just gather the edges and then make a knot like that, pulling both ends through as such. And there you have it. So there's two different ways that you can tie the knot. At least that's what I did. And I love it. I don't have to worry about making multiple loops around my ponytail or my little girl's ponytail. I can just gather the hair and put one elastic hair tie over the hair like that, and it's perfect. And she doesn't have to tell me, oh mommy, it's still tight, it's too tight, and I don't have to mess up her hair or anything like that. So sit back and enjoy the next several minutes of this video. where you'll see me go through all of the different hair ties, the elastic hair ties, creating these little ponytail holders. So here we go.